Hello, my dear viewers. I am Dr.M.VIJAYASANKAR, Assistant Professor, Department of Statistics. In this video, I have uploaded for my dear students and those who are studying BCom, BBA, BBACA, BBM, and BSc Computer Science and BSc Mathematics students. This video just uploaded for your study purpose and also reference to. In these sections, I would like to share the topic of how to calculate mean, median and mode for continuous case series. Already you know that the individual case data. So only just I display here the examples of individual case data. Here the example 1 is showing here this kind of data 10, 23, 52, 47, 23, 45, 20, 10. So this kind of data is called as individual case series. Next I am showing the discrete case data type. Here the example 4, example 5 and example 6. This data containing only two variables. One is x and another one is frequency. Already you know that. What do you mean by frequency? The number of students, the number of employees, the number of treatments are taken as frequency. So already you have the well knowledge of discrete case series and individual case series. But in this video, we are going to discuss only the continuous case data, how to calculate the continuous case data mean, median, mode only. Here I am showing the examples 5, 6, 7. These types of data is called as continuous case series. Already I explained you in your class. The class interval 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35. These are called as class. When they are giving class and with corresponding frequency values 5, 8, 12, 22, 18, 10, 3. This data is called as continuous case series. Likewise, the example 6. Here marks and number of students is given. So marks are classified into difference interval and its corresponding frequency values are also given. So such a kind of data is called as continuous case series. Now we are going to calculate mean for continuous case data. Just I am taking here one examples. Calculate mean from the following data. Here the marks and number of students is given. Already you know that this kind of data is called as continuous case series. So directly I am going to the solutions how to calculate the mean from the given data. This is your mean formula for continuous case series. Your mean formula is mean equal to summation of f into mid x divided by summation of f. Or you can use this formula mean equal to summation of f into mid x divided by capital N. Here capital N is the sum of all the frequency values. And what do you mean by mid x? Mid x means the middle value from the class interval, and here f is the frequency values. So we are using these terms and calculate our mean. Solution. Here already I am taking here the class interval and frequency given in your problem. Here the class intervals are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100. And their corresponding frequency values are also given in the problem. That is 3, 5, 7, 10, 12, 15, 12, 6, 2, 8. Now, we are going to determine the mean value from the given data. Already we know that our formula. Here this formula mean equal to summation of f into mid x divided by capital N. First of all, we are going to calculate our capital N value. What do you mean by capital N? The sum of all the frequency values. Here the frequency values are given. First we have to summing all the frequency values and substitute the total value for N. Next we are going to calculate our numerator f into mid x values. So we calculate the mid value from the class interval and then multiply with frequency. Finally substitute these two values in our mean formula. We get our mean value. See this slide. Here the class interval and frequency already given in the problem. The same data have been taken here. Now we are introducing the third column and fourth column. The third column name is mid x. The mid x values is derived from the class interval. When the class interval is given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, just adding the data 0 to 10 and divided by 2. It gives our mid value of x. That is the first value is 5. Just add 0 to 10 divided by 2, it gives 5. Similarly, the second class interval 10 to 20, add this 2 value and divide by 2, it gives 15. Likewise, one by one you are dividing all the class interval by 2, we get your mid x value. And the fourth column is f into mid x. Just multiplying frequency and mid x values one by one. We get 15, 75, 175, 350, 540, 825, 780, 450, 170, 760. Now summing all the f into mid x values, finally we get 4140. Now we are going to substitute these two values, that is summation of f into mid x values and sum of x values in your formula. Our mean formula is summation of f into mid x divided by summation of f equal to n. Our numerator answer is 4140 divided by our n values is 80. Just cancelling this two value, it becomes 51.75. Therefore mean is 51.75. Are you clear? I think all of you understand how to calculate the mean for continuous case. Are you got it? Now we are going to discuss about median. How to calculate median for the given data. Example 2. Calculate from median from the following data. The same data, the same problem is taken here. Now we are going to calculate median only. Solution. Your median formula is median equal to L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by frequency into C. Here first we are going to calculate n by 2 value. N by 2 is the median class. What do you mean by L? L is the lower limit of the median class. And what do you mean by F? F is the accurative frequency of the median class. And what do you mean by CF? Is the cumulative frequency of the preceding median class. And what do you mean by C? C is the class interval of the median class. So first we have to calculate our n by 2 value. Once you calculate n by 2 value, automatically you can calculate L value, F value, CF value, C values, because all the values is depending upon our median value. So first I am going to calculate our n value. So here the capital N means the sum of all the frequency values already given in the problem, the frequency values. Now summing all the frequency values one by one. 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 plus 15 plus 12 plus 6 plus 2 plus 8. The summing all the values, it gives 80. Therefore our capital N values is 80. Now substituting the 80 for n and divided by 2, it gives 40. Now we are going to check our median value, 40th value. Now I am introducing the cumulative frequency column in the same table. Now I am going to explain how to find the cumulative frequency values from the frequency. Here the frequency values are given. The adding the frequency values one by one, it will give your cumulative frequency values. The first value of frequency is 3. Just taking the same value 3 in the first row of the cumulative frequency column. That value is 3. This is constant. Next, adding 5 from the frequency values. It gives 8. Now apply 8 in the second column. Likewise, adding the frequency values one by one from the cumulative frequency. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 10, 25. 25 plus 12, 37. 37 plus 15, 52. 52 plus 12, 64. 64 plus 6, 70. 70 plus 2, 72. 72 plus 8, 80. Okay. Now, we are going to find our vacation of median, the 40th value. Now, I am checking the 40th value from the cumulative frequency column, one by one. First, we are checking 3 to 8. The 48th value is not available. Again, we check the another range, 18 to 15. The 40th value is not available. Again, I am checking 15 and 25. Here also is not available. Again, I am checking 25 to 37. Here also the 40th value is not available. Now, I am checking 37 and 52. Here the 40th value lies between in the range of 37 to 52. Here the 52 is the highest value from the cumulative frequency. So now we are going to calculate using this 52 is the median class. Now using this median class, we are calculating L value, C value, F value, CF values from the median class. In the same row of the median class, we are having the class interval 50 to 60 and we are having the frequency 15. So our L value is 50 because what do you mean by L? The lower limit of the median class. That's why we are choosing the class 50 to 60. Our L value is 50. Next, C. C is the class interval of the median class. So here the difference is 10. Our class interval is 50 to 60. So difference is 10. Our C value is 10. Next, F. F is the accurate frequency value from the median class. Then in the same row, our frequency value is 15. So F value is 15. The last one, CF. CF is the cumulative frequency of the preceding median class. Our median class value is 52. The preceding value of the cumulative frequency value is 37. Therefore, our CF value is 37. Now, we are going to substitute all the values in our median formula. Our median formula is capital L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by frequency into C. L value is 50, n by 2 value is 40 and CF value is 37 and the F value is 15 into C value is 10. Now substituting all the values in our formula, finally after simplifications we get 52 is our median. Or you got it? Now I am going to discuss about mode. How to calculate mode for continuous case series. It is very easiest problem, mode. The same problem, the same example 3 is taken here. Calculate mode from the following data. So already the data is called as given data is called as the continuous case series. Okay, solution. Our mode formula for continuous case series is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C. Here we are going to calculate first F1 values because F1 is our mode class. Once you have identified the mode class, automatically you can calculate L value F0 value, F2 value and C value. What do you mean by L? L is the lower limit of the mode class. What do you mean by F0? F0 is the preceding value of the mode class. What do you mean by F2? F2 is the succeeding value of the mode class. And what do you mean by C? C is the class difference of the mode class. So first we have to calculate the F1 value because F1 is our mode class. Okay. Here F1 is the highest frequency from the given table. So we want to check the highest frequency values from the given table first. Check the value from the frequency, which one is the highest. Here the 15 is the highest. So 15 is our mode class. Here our F1 value is 15. Using this mode class, now we are going to calculate L value, F0 value, F2 values and C values. Here our mode class is 15. The corresponding class value is 50 to 60. Therefore, our L value is 50. Our C value is 10. Next, we are going to find F0 value and F2 values. What do you mean by F0? The preceding value of the mode class. Our preceding value of the mode class is 12 in the frequency column. And what do you mean by F2? The succeeding value of the mode class. Here the 51 is the mode class. The next succeeding value is 12 from the frequency table. So already we got all the values. Our L value is 50 and C value is 10. Then F1 value is 15. F0 value is 12 and F2 value is 12. Now we are going to substitute all the values in our formula. Directly I am using all the values here. L value 50, F1 value 15, F0 value 12 and divided by 2, F1 value 15 minus F0 value is 12 minus F2 value is 12 into multiply by 10. After simplification these values we get mode value is 55. Are you clear? Thank you my dear viewers. If you like this video, just share your friends and send your comment in the comment box. I hope this video will be helpful for your study purpose and reference purpose only. Thank you. It may be used for reference, some research purpose also. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. And please, finally I am telling, if you like this video, kindly share your friends and subscribe this video. Thank you.